Hello, good morning everyone. So I'm at Dehradun bus stand. It's 5 a.m. So now I'll go to Prince Chowk, which is like around 4-5 kilometers from here, and then I'll get the official vehicle of TTH, from where we'll go from here to Sankri. Good morning everyone. This is day 2. We'll go to Seema today from Sankri. Seema is at 8,000 feet. First we'll go by a cab around 12 kilometers, and then we'll do the trek, which is around 3-4 hours. Campsite for today, Seema campsite, 8,400 feet. Starting day 3, Seema to Devsu Bugyal. Good morning, everyone. This is day 4 morning, and we'll go from Devsu Bugyal to Ruinsara Tal. It will be around 9-10 kilometers from here, and we have packed lunch, and we leave at around 8, and we hope to reach by 2 or 3. So today is going to be a pretty good campsite, that Ruinsara Tal. So we'll show you once we reach there. Yeah. To Odari camp, 13,100 feet. We are on our way to the Odari camp. We had an ascent just at the start of the trail. After that, lush green meadows all around. Enjoying the nature. Good morning. Today is day 6. We'll go to Bali Coal Camp from Odari. This is 13,100 feet. Bali Coal Camp is 15,100 feet. So today we'll also cross the Narma Kandi bridge, which is very famous. It's very technical. So it's gonna be a fun day today. We'll go to the top and then we'll take left. This is Narma Kandi Ridge. We'll go from here now. We are at Narma Kandi. This is the ridge that we are crossing. This has been the most beautiful trail since we have started for Bali Pass. This is going to Bali Coal. This is Narma Kandi Bridge or Narma Kandi Ridge, which is, we have crossed 2 ridges. Third ridge is what we are crossing currently. Area 15,100 feet, advanced base camp for Bali Pass, also known as Bali Coal. Hello guys, we are leaving for Bali Pass from Bali Coal. It's 3 AM.
हेलो जी,
All set?
अभी 3 बज रहा है और यहाँ से 2.5 किलोमीटर है समिट। और हमारे पाजी, हमारी पूरी टीम सब निकल रही है,
पूरे तत्पर तैयार हैं,
एकदम रेडी है, फुल एनर्जी में।
सर आप लोग हॉट वाटर
ले लिया सर, ले लिया।
चलिए टीम टीटीएच इधर आ जाइए आप लोग।
चलो टीम टीटीएच कम हेयर। है।